Hi, I'm Brooke, and I'd like to talk to you about floodplains. Floodplains are a vital part of our landscape, but they're rare, especially up here in hill country. They're really valuable to farmers because the land is often more fertile due to millions of years of soil deposits flowing down from the fells. And, being flat, it makes working the land so much easier. They're fantastic for hay production and other crops. Because they're low and level, stormwater naturally flows over the top of the riverbanks and is temporarily stored on them until the river drops. Sometimes embankments are built to prevent this. The trouble is, this means more water stays in the river, making it faster and much more likely to cause damage further downstream. Being flat, floodplains are easy places for humans to build houses on. But doing that leaves no space for the water, so it ends up inside the buildings, often flooding entire communities. Most of the time, crops being under a bit of water for a short time doesn't cause many problems, especially grass, which is their favourite. Some people have built earth bunds and swales on floodplains, which hold back and store water temporarily during storms. Others have built leaky dams and whiskey barrel structures to slow down and spread out the floodwater and help it soak into the soil. They've even made ones called kested hedges, with trees on top, which provide my friends with shelter against the lovely Cumbrian weather. Personally, I like getting wet. Thank you.